Inaasahang mas lalago pa ang ating industriya ng turismo ngayong taon. Ito'y kasunod ng pagdaraos ng Travel Expo na nagsimula kahapon. Sa pagdalo ni Pangulong Aquino at pinasalamatan niya ang mga sektor at grupong tumutulong upang mapabuti pa ang turismo sa bansa. At tiniyak ang pagbuo ng mga programang higit na magpapakilala sa ating bansa sa mundo. Narito ang report.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isang Pangulo ang dumalo sa Travel Expo ng Philippine Travel Agencies Association. Ayon sa mga organizers nito, binigyan sila ni Pangulong Aquino ng lakas ng loob at pagpapahalaga sa kontribusyon ng turismo sa pagpapalago ng ekonomiya at bansa. Dumalo ang Pangulo sa unang araw ng Expo na magtatagal hanggang Linggo.
I made it a point to be here today to show my full support to your industry in this endeavor. Tourism, after all, is a low-lying fruit for our country. And from the beginning, our administration knew that if we can harness the beauty and the hospitality that our country is known for, then without doubt, it would be another massive step taken in growing our economy in an inclusive manner.
Matatagpuan sa Expo ang 534 booths na kinabibilangan ng travel agencies, airlines, cruise liners, hotels at resorts. Ito na ang kanilang pinakamalaking travel expo sa loob ng 21. Ang magiging katumbas itong halaga, 600 milyong piso na perang papasok sa turismo.
The Philippines is truly making a transition to becoming one of the best places to visit in the world. Just to give you a few examples, our country is one of the top 10 destinations by Rough Guides in 2014, one of the 46 places to go to by the New York Times in 2013, the best tropical island destination by the Shanghai Morning Post in 2013, and fittingly, the most romantic destination by the same publication in 2012. Indeed, the whole world is in on the secret.
Target ng organizers na mahigitan ang 70,000 naitalang mga dumating sa Expo noong isang taon. Ang bilang na ito ang magpapalobo sa bagong target ng gobyerno na 56.1 milyong domestic travelers sa taong 2016. Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na kahit na nagkaroon ng kalamidad noong isang taon, tumaas pa rin ng 10% ang international tourist ng Pilipinas kung saan naitala ang 4.7 milyong dayuhang bisita. Pero ayon sa Pangulo, hindi dapat makontento sa mga bilang na ito at kailangang
The goal now is not merely to maintain our growth, but to cement our position as one of the world's vacation hotspots. This is why our administration has been hard at work to ensure that visitors find their travel smooth and worry-free. By implementing reforms in civil aviation, by liberalizing airspace through the Pocket Open Skies policy, and by rationalizing taxes on foreign carriers, we have created more opportunities for both local and foreign airlines to expand operations in and out of the Philippines. This redounds to benefits for consumers who now have more freedom and a wider menu of options when planning their trips. All this is happening even as we continue to make massive investments in infrastructure, from constructing and rehabilitating roads leading to tourism clusters to upgrading airports and ports in key areas.
Ipinaalala ng Pangulo na bahagi ng tagumpay sa kampanya sa turismo ang sama-samang pagsisikap para mapalago pa ang sektor na ito. Hinamon niya ang mga nasa industriya ng turismo na higitan pa ang kanilang narating at nagawa.
What we want is for both domestic and international tourists to become advocates of the Philippines, visitors who will return again and again to explore every corner, every peak, every shoreline of our archipelago, and encourage their friends and families to do the same. To achieve this, we need all of you to become advocates of our country first, to go above and beyond your normal responsibilities, to do everything you can towards the resounding success of each and every trip, even as we in government to continues to do our part.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Duna.